Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Malamig yung panahon pero kami ay pupunta ng town para kakain ng Christmas dinner kasi wala kaming niluto. Kaya yan. Tatay na. Drive. Kami naman ay bukas sila kasi Chinese restaurant. Ayan. There we go. Ang paa, ang maraming paa ni Alan. Alan.
Time to go.
Time to go.
You got an ornament from every tree we run across.
Yeah, I was looking up there. That's where it come from. What is it again?
Sagging.
Where?
Sweet sagging.
Sweet sagging daw. Ayan. Perfect timing tayo guys. Kasi kakarating lang. Ayun. Okay, I'm good. Goodbye. Ayan. Ang sarap ng oyster nila. Lalaki. Kunan din natin si Mr. Sims. Isa. Yung kanilang steamed seafood. Ayan. Meron din yan. Patay na isa. Uy, ang laki. Alright. Tama na. Ayan. Merry Christmas tayo. Merry Christmas. Ayan. Ang ating seafood for today. Merong crab, shrimp, at saka lobster. Merong oyster, at saka what's this one? Mussels, clams, at meron din silang squid, and more crab legs, and meron silang
Shrimp or
crayfish, at saka yung ayan, suso. Ang ating pagkain ngayon. Sa akin lang pala yan. Kasi yun sa kaya niya. Diba?
I was looking at your play until I saw this. When I saw the snail, I started going.
When you saw the what?
The snail, I started going like
The
this.
snail? The suso? It's so good. Look at that. Ay, parang walang laman. Yung parang laman niya. Green ang kulay. Ito namang isa brown. Diba? Kain tayo, kain. Second batch ni Alan, no? Ang dami, no? Mrs. Sims. Okay, I'm gonna eat this. Ayan, tapos na kami kumain. Kami ay, alis na.